Oh yeah. This can be gone. This thing can be gone. My so unuseful radio. Hey bro, well you got 2 radios. Yeah man, it's JDM bro. It's JDM as fuck bro. I got 2 radios. One's for Navi and one's for the radio bro. You know, JDM. Oh yeah. What is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's video, it's a little bit special. We're gonna work on the Forester. Yeah. So it's been a while since I worked on the Forester. Last time I worked on the Forester was when I did the front end. So, you know, I got the JDM front end, you feel me? JDM boys. But I still need to paint it though, so it's too expensive. Another $1,300 to paint the whole front end. I ain't got no money. I ain't got enough subscribers, so you know, if you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you know, go support the boy. You feel me? Today's video, we're gonna work on the Forester. Let me show you guys. So you see this? This is this OEM USDM radio. So the whole radio was, you know, it's in here in the middle. And not too long ago, I got a JDM bezel, or top, I would say navigation bezel. So it looks like this. This is a JDM one. It only came in the STIs. And here they usually just have a, you know, like another one like this, or a clock. They have like the clock here. So there's that. And you know, I've been like looking for something to put here. All the boys were like, oh, just get another, you know, piece like this, so you know you have double piece like that. And my friend Lawrence saw something that goes here, and he sent it to me, and it was like $250. It was kind of a lot. I mean, that's a lot, not kind of, but that's a lot for me. $250, and it's used and plus shipping, so it's around, the guy's not from California, so probably shipping another like $20, so close to $300 for a used one. So I was like, nah, I'll probably think about it. And then I went to this website and I got the same thing brand new for $120, literally brand new. Let me show you guys. This piece came straight from Japan, brand new, literally Subaru OEM, brand new. Japan Post. So this is I don't know if it's a rare part, but I would say it only came in the STIs, like probably like the top, probably like the highest trim for the STI Foresters. Let me show you guys. Let me open it for you. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, JDM boys. So this is it's called the cool box, I guess they call this cool box. So I got this black trim. You could get either a black or a gray trim. I went ahead and went with the black because I want the STI look. And so yeah, I got this cool box, and the trim, the brackets are in this. And then what I'm gonna do is, since I have a gray panels or a gray trim, I'm just gonna remove it and then paint it black, so I'll match with this. So yeah, let's remove my shift trim and let's start painting. I got plastic dip only, so that'll probably work. So yeah, let's start doing it. I'm excited. radio bezel out, or old radio. Obviously it came with the USDM radio brackets. The cool box came with the JDM radio bezel or bracket, radio bracket. But I just want to see if they match, because I've read on the forums they said that you have to trim the JDM bracket, make it fit to the USDM one. So they look the same though. So damn, look at this, boy. Damn, that is so JDM, bro. All right, cool. Let's paint the trims black. I mean plastic divot black, and then we'll try the JDM cool box. Let's go. Let's start painting. We'll start painting. Just want to make sure that it fits. Make sure it works. Oh no, it doesn't. Fuck me. Oh, I get what they're saying now. I think I'm gonna have to use the USDM radio bracket. Alright. Oh, we ran into problem. Always. I always run into problems. Alright. So let me show you what we're looking at right now. So apparently it's not gonna fit because I have, well, it's a JDM one, so obviously that's right hand drive, left hand drive dashboard. So anyway, problem is that, let me see if I put this, if I put in the trim. By the way, it fits perfectly, but if you look underneath, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a piece that's blocking the JDM bracket, so it won't go all the way in. So if you guys can see it, yeah, so there's a big gap right there. So see this piece. So what I have to do is I just trim probably like 1/4 inch this. So just trim this piece, just trim 1/4 these, and yeah, should be good to go. So I'm gonna go get my Dremel and I'm gonna cut this piece and test it again. It's not the best cut, but it should work. Let's see. Oh boy, look at that. Fits perfectly. Oh yeah, some JDM shit, boy. Alright, we'll let it dry and we'll be back. Damn, we got dark so fast. Anyway, alright, so that's it. Got the cool box installed. Yes, oh yeah. This is so JDM, dude. Like, look at this. With the black trim, it looks way better. So, yeah. Freaking scratch it already too. Fuck. it's cool. I'll just probably repaint it again. But yeah, that's that. There's the install. Just need a red SDI hazard switch. So yeah, there's that. So, you know, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe. 2 more months before 2020. So, you know, boy, trying to get like at least 100 subscribers, you feel me? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.